All right, so now that I have clicked stop sharing, which I'm not going to click now here, I'm going to go ahead and show you what you see after you go ahead and click stop. So you'll see this little window right here, and you'll have a couple of options here where you can copy your link, you can view it on Drive. So there's a couple ways that you can actually post yours. So first things first, you're going to need to change the name. So the name you're going to choose is going to be your last name, your partner's last name, and then your topic or your scientist that you did. Let's say you did Edmund Lacard. And notice how I put 2 underscores there. That just makes it a little bit easier for me to see. And then you're going to put your period number. So I'm going to say I'm in period, let's say period 3. Okay. So go ahead and save that here. So now you're going to want to click save to disk. Okay, so then you'll click save to disk here, and then it'll try and put it into your downloads here. So you could, I'll show you both pathways you could use. You could either click show in folder, and then you can move it to somewhere that's in your drive, because it's just going to be sitting in your downloads section here. So notice I have the file right here. Pay no mind to this one. This is our sample that we'll watch here in a second. So then you'll go through and you'll click and drag this to wherever you want to put it in your drive. So I'm just going to click and drag it to my, once that opens, my forensic science folder right here. Now it's up to you wherever you want to save it. That's totally fine. So then in Google Classroom, you could go through and post that document there. Okay, you could post that video file, which mine is right here. So that's one way you could do it. Or you could go through and copy the link to the file in Google Drive, and you could just paste that link in Google Classroom for the submission. So either way is totally fine. I hope that this helps you put together your video here. It's not wanting to stop. So another way to stop is you can click the little icon up here. If you accidentally close your box here, you can click the little arrow, and then you'll just click stop right here. So if you have any other questions, please don't hesitate to ask.